Welcome once again. So if you are targeting a European scholarship like the DAAD scholarship that I have spoken about in my channel, so if you are interested in studying in Germany, go and look at that video in amongst my video in the channel, and then other videos, Erasmus and all that. You'll be able to find available scholarships in Europe. But most of the time, they will ask you to submit a CV in a Europass format. So this is a Europass website. This is the Europass website by the European Union, and most of the scholarships in Europe want you to use this format because that's is an official website of the European Union. Now, so if they request from you this type of CV, I'm going to show you how to do the CV or how to develop the CV in this format so that it will be very easy for anyone who is interested in doing a scholarship or applying for a scholarship with this particular CV. So basically, you come to this website, and I'll put the link in the description so that it's easy for you to find. So if you come to the website, this is how the website looks like. You just need to come down here and say create your Europass CV. So if you click on it, then it takes you to this. So this is how you find it. I already started, so that's why there's a resume last CV. But if you come, you see start from your profile, start from Europass CV, or create new CV. So if you have not created before, you just need to click on the create new CV. So if you click on create new CV, then it takes you to this page. So first, the CV is all about, it's a whole template by itself. So what you need to do is just put your information so that at the end it will design the whole CV in the scholarship or European scholarship format for you, so you don't have to do any editing and all that. So first you have to put which language, English, and the date format. In Europe, mostly the day comes before the month and the year. Then you have to then put your information. So you have to put your information, your first name, last name. You put a bit about you, and here they explain that, highlight who you are, describe your professional or personal self. So they put an example here. I'm a professional photographer with 5 years of experience, photography, portrait, and family. I'm looking for a new exciting project. So this is a sample of the type of information you can put here as yourself. Then you put your date of birth, your place of birth, city and country, your gender, nationality. You put your email address, your phone number, social media if you want to put that, your website if you have, your address, your city, and all that. So after you put all this, you go to next. When you go to next, it will show you, you put your professional experience, your university, the courses you did, and then you put all the universities. It will arrange it automatically for you. Then you go to your professional experiences as well, the jobs you've done and everything. It will explain, it will arrange everything according to the way it is supposed to be. Then they will also ask you for additional information, your language skills, your extra skills, your computer skills. You put all the information that they request. And always remember, the ones that have this red star means that it's compulsory. You cannot skip them. So you have to make sure you fill all this information. You put all relevant information that you think is important for your scholarship or application. You put everything there like that. Then after you are done, you go to number 3, where they will ask you to select templates. There are different arrangements. Usually it doesn't really matter, but the one that you feel is very nice and shows your information very nicely, you choose that. There are about 5 templates. I don't know if they've updated it. Then after you choose the template, it will then do the arrangement and develop everything nicely for you. Then you save. When you save, you can download it as a PDF, and that is it. So it's very easy, very straightforward. And then yeah, I've used it, many people have used it, and it's very easy for you to do the application with this. Now I'm going to show you a sample of it from someone. This is mainly for educational purposes, so you don't have to copy the same thing. And this is something I just found on Google as well. If you look at this is from someone called Martha, and this is how the template they chose. So if you do fill all the information, this is how it will arrange it. It will put your picture, their sex, their date of birth, their email, their website, their number. So in terms of work experience, you see that it will put the recent one first, then later the latest one as well, to put the work she did and what she actually did in the work, and all that. It will be explained. Then academic or training, she'll put the masters in that, which university, bachelor's, which university, and all that. Then her personal skills, her mother tongue, the official languages, then the skills, so communication skills, organizational skills, computer skills, whether she has a driver's license. Then they will ask you for additional information. For her, she had publications, so she put the publications here. Conferences that she attended, she put the conference there, and whether she has academic membership or any other membership, she put it there. Then when you are done, you put your signature. So some of them have signature. You try and put your signature, but if it doesn't show you signature, then you can leave it. So basically, this is an example of a Europass CV. There are several formats. This is not just the only format available. There are several others that will arrange the picture different. Some put the picture on the left, some on the right. It depends on which template you choose, but generally this is how it is. And you see that the logo is the Europass, and it's very easy. So this is basically how to do it. If you are looking for scholarships in Europe, this is it. So if you are targeting scholarships in Europe and you can see them in my channel, you can use this Europass format, and then you'll be able to do the application. Now this is my page where I also talk about scholarships and study abroad opportunities, so please check through and then find a scholarship for yourself. If you have not subscribed, subscribe and click on the bell button so that anytime I put on a scholarship post, you'll be one of the first people to find it.